Hi friends, who are interested in learning business analysis and want to start a career with BA, this video is created only for you, must watch video. These questions are for beginners, non-IT people and industry people can watch, don't skip this video. Okay, let's start our video. Question number 1, can I become a business analyst without IT industry experience? Yes, in the current industry so many people do not have IT industry experience, and also they don't have MBA degree, but you need passion to learn. 45% of the people in the industry coming from non-IT background and they are doing very good in the companies. Question number 2, do I need training for a business analyst? The answer depends on the candidate. Some of them are learning by YouTube videos and some other tutorials, books, and PDF documents. And you are already working in IT, you know some IT industry knowledge like what is the roles of particular people like business analyst, project manager, team leader, tester and documentation, presentation, agile and scrum and so, these terminologies you know very well, you can easily get into the BA career. Otherwise better if you don't want to miss a flow, take online training, take and get some practical knowledge. Question number 3, what is the difference between business analyst and a functional consultant? BA job criteria are the same for both of them but working platforms are different, and coming to FCs are completely into the functional and commercial side of the project and completely into business side, but if they want to switch their jobs they can switch. People who have good knowledge on both sides have good opportunities. Question number 4, how important is domain expertise to become a business analyst? Domain experts have a good idea of everything about the organization and work. They work on multiple domains and they are like subject matter experts. So these SMEs are fair idea about the project. SMEs are good at both technical and business languages. If they choose BA, career opportunities are always there. What is the career path for a business analyst? I can say excellent because software may change, products may change, but the requirement of business analysts in the industry is mandatory for any organization. They have good career options. They can become project coordinators, project managers, product owners, programming managers, and many more. Salary pay is also good. Question number 5, difference between business analyst and quality assurance? Quality assurance means that a product needs to be certifying some particular standards given by the government or client. And before the product should be tested perfectly without error. Here tests are also going to involve in testing the application or a product. A person who can analyze the complete business and understand the requirements for that business and who can build the system as per the client requirements is called business analyst, and if you have both skill set you have plenty of opportunities in your hand. Most of the companies are looking to hire multiple technology guys. Question number 6, what is business analysis and business analytics? Business analysis is about helping the product or project development process, and here involve architects, programmers, testers, and project managers, and so many people are going to involve here. Coming to business analytics, already developed product, they are going to monitor business analytics with the help of their company's data. To these analytics will help to enhance the company's business growth. They have a dashboard, they can see business analytics through different charts, example, pie charts, graphs, bars. What are some best online resources for preparing for a business analyst course? You can n number of books in Amazon, Flipkart. And you can find n number of free books to download as well in Google. And also you can watch n number of videos on YouTube. For your knowledge, you can choose the best option, and we have a total set of business analyst videos on our channel with very interesting videos and with real-time case studies. You can find it in the below description. Click watch and do like and share it with your friends. Thank you.